In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a phone column in ClickUp, Contact Numbers 2026. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. This is where everything starts. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. You can continue with your email and password or choose a connected option like a supported social account. Pick whichever is easiest and make sure you're signing into the correct workspace if you have more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. Here, take a moment to look at the left sidebar. This is your navigation hub where you'll find your spaces, folders and lists. We're going to work inside a list because that's where task columns and custom fields live. Navigate to the space and folder that contain the list you want to update, then open that list. If you see tasks arranged as cards, you might be in board view. Switch to list or table view so columns are visible across your tasks. This will make adding and managing fields much clearer. Inside your list, look toward the far right side of the column header row. You should see a small plus icon or a button labeled Add Column. If you don't see it immediately, scroll horizontally across the header row. Click that button to add a new field. A menu will appear with field types. Use the search bar at the top or scroll through the options until you find Phone. Select Phone to create a dedicated field for contact numbers. You'll be asked to name the field. Something like phone, mobile, or contact number works well. The name you choose will appear as the column header, so pick something that's clear for your team. After naming it, confirm to create the field. You'll now see the phone column added to your list. Click into any task within that column to enter a number. For best results, include the full number with the appropriate country code if you work with international contacts. Keeping a consistent format across your team makes filtering and reporting cleaner later on. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't have permission to modify fields, check with your workspace admin. If the column doesn't appear, make sure you're not filtering out fields or viewing a layout that hides columns. And if you want this phone field available in multiple lists, consider creating it at a higher level or reusing an existing field to keep your data consistent. That's it. Go to ClickUp, sign in, open your list, add a column, choose phone, name it, and you're ready to store contact numbers neatly across your tasks.